Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add subtitle in Davinci Resolve. So first of all, of course, what the heck are you adding subtitle for, right? Let's add our video first. Alright, now that we have our video of the earth here, we can find our subtitles by clicking on the left side, top left, and you'll see FX to open this entire section over here. And then here you need to click on titles. Yeah, titles over here. Click on titles and scroll down and you'll find subtitle at the very bottom. Alright, now you have your subtitle. Now what? You add some text, your caption. Long ago there was nothing but darkness. Seems like a an excerpt from the Bible at this point. And then if you want it to add more of this, you just copy and paste it. Control C and Control V as in violin. And now you just need to edit this part here by heading over here, then clicking there, because apparently the caption section will record every caption that you have in your video, so you won't get lost searching for where the heck did I put that caption. So like, yeah, it depends on the time in and the time out, or where the caption is put, whether it's earlier on or later on, so you'll see it. And that's really convenient. But that is how you can add some subtitles on Davinci Resolve. What I'm doing here now is just having fun and just crafting a story at this point, and it was darkness again. What's the point with that? But yeah, that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.